Did you know that you can attach a link to your online appointment booking to any one of your marketing automation templates? In your setup menu, head to Templates, then Marketing, and select the Email section. Pick out the template that you'd like to edit, right-click, and hit Launch Template Editor. Now that you're in the template, notice the different sections that make up the body of the email. Now grab the option for a button and drag it into the body of the email. When you click on the button, you'll notice all of your options for editing on the right-hand side, and you should see the option to add a URL. Now we'll head back into Blueprint to your Setup menu, under Scheduling and Online Appointment Booking. At the very top, you'll see the button for Copy URL. Click this and head back over to your template and paste it into the URL setting. Finally, click into the button itself to edit the text that appears in the email. We'll go ahead and hit Save in the top right-hand corner, and our template will be edited for future marketing automation emails. We'll take a quick look at the preview by right-clicking on the email template and selecting Preview.